Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you all so much for my new subscribers, and I thank you all for the views and for the support. I know YouTube can humble you. Sometimes the view goes up, sometimes it goes down, but we do what? We move because I have the passion. I love what I do. I enjoy it. So whatever comes out of it, I will keep on bringing you the best and nothing less but the best of how to maintain your money, save your money, looking good without breaking the bank. So for today's video, I'm going to be styling what we called applique. I think I pronounced it right. I'll put it on the screen as well. Applique. That's what it's called. It's just a decorative accessories. They made it in a different pattern. You can use it to style outfit anyway. So I decided to style it in different way, and I'm going to show you in this video how regularly some people will style it, how they might want to style it, but I want to give you an idea of how you can actually utilize your money. These are very affordable. I purchased them from Shein, and you know how Shein can be very affordable, and these are the kind of things I like because you can style it so many ways. You can incorporate it into another outfit and make it look different from the way it is styled on their website or from how someone else will style it. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to restyle this outfit, please keep on watching. So for the first outfit I'm showing you on the screen is how I think most people will want to style it. People that they don't mind to show their tummy, that they don't mind showing a little bit of flesh or a lot of flesh. As you can see that we have something like a tube, like it's called applique. That's what it's called. You can see it on top, and you can see a little bit short white short. Also, that short is from Shein. But if you don't want to style it this way, some people will go on the other option, which is high waist short. In this particular one, I'm wearing a yellow for people that doesn't want to show their tummy, and the other one, if you want to elevate it just to look more elegant, white pants will do that trick for you. And this is summertime, and if you wear this applique with a white pants, please forget about the button at the front. I've said that before. This is the only white pants that I have at home. Yes, I'm still trying to look for a better one that will fit me as much as this one does. So ladies, forget about the button at the front. Without the button, it's going to look more elegant and sophisticated. So just to recap, this is how I feel like most people will want to restyle it, with this white short, with a yellow short, and for people that doesn't want to reveal their tummy, and people that really want to cover a little bit more, they will go for more sophisticated and classy one, which is the white pants that I showed. Now that we have seen all this other way that people can actually style it, so I'm going to go ahead, because I have two types of applique with me. I'm not going to bore you ladies out, so I'm going to use the yellow one to restyle what I'm going to be styling right now. Ladies, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to help me push this video up. Please like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. Tube dress that I'm going to be using throughout this video, this tube dress also is from Shein. It's just their basic tube dress. There's nothing spectacular about it. There's nothing fancy about it. It's just a plain black tube dress. You can choose to use any kind of tube dress that you have at home, even the one that is there. The fabric is different from this because this is like a jersey fabric. So if you want to elevate your look, you can go ahead and use another kind of material that will elevate this look. But this is what I have at home, and this is what I'm going to be using to style it. So let's go ahead with the first option. The first option is I'm going to be using the tube dress and this yellow applique, but the first one is I will put it on the regular, how people will style it on top, and this is how it's looking.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe.
What I was styling it, I kept on having an idea, and that is one thing with me. Whenever I start creating this, God just keep blessing me with more creativity, because it's not my idea. Trust me, it's just a blessing from God. I always get creative idea every time I start. I can go on and go on and go on, but most time I don't want to prolong the video or bore you ladies out. So this is the second way I'm going to be styling it. I'm just going to move it ahead and move it in the mid section a little bit and make it create another outfit entirely.
Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly, charging forward when
And moving on to the third one, which I feel like it's gonna need 2 more people if your hands are not that flexible that you can't be able to tuck in at the back, because at this one you have to take it all the way up and you have to tuck in the back especially. We don't really need to do much with the front side, but the back need to be tucked in appropriately, and you don't want to see any traces of the yellow at the back. So this one took me a while. I did it myself, but I had to turn off the camera to do it and tuck it in. So you have to find someone. If you know you're not that, you can't be able to reach your back, you can look for someone to help you, or you find another way. There's always a way, you all know that. So you tuck this in, and I love how this turned out. I love how it just looked like a dress. It doesn't look like an applique that is put on top of a tube dress. It actually looks like a dress. What do you all think, ladies? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And in the next style, I just wanted to, I came up with this again. Just turn it around. There is no magical or any complication or any science behind this. I just turn it around and I just flip it, and this is how I created this look.
I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing, travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned, 'cause whatever happens, I'm good.
And now that we have seen the yellow applique, how we can restyle it, I do not want to bore you ladies out, so I chose to do the pink. We just style it the way you're looking at it on the screen right now. I'm just going to style it this way, which is the regular way that people will style it, but I have a DIY that came into my mind when I was filming, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. This is the first look from the pink applique.
I'm good. Actually, more than good, kinda great, even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
Ladies, I own this skirt right from my closet before. I've owned it for several years now. It's the bodycon. Some of my ladies don't wear bodycon, but I do wear bodycon. All right, you might not have this type at home, but if you any other thing that you have at home, as long as it's a skirt that is fitted, that you can pull up, that is stretchy, it's gonna work for this style. It doesn't have to necessarily be the same thing I'm having right now. And you all know this channel is all about looking good without breaking the bank, so I'm not going to tell you to run around and go buy this particular skirt, but I'm just giving you an idea how you can just make use of this, how you can use this applique and just use it to dress up and make it look more stylish. So this is the other look that I created using the skirts. I believe this look is self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you ladies enjoy the DIY that I came up with using the pink applique and the scarf that one of my friends gave me a long time ago. It came into my mind and I grabbed this scarf to recreate the style. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will let you ladies enjoy the DIY because they are self-explanatory. Enjoy the DIY and the music. I'll be right back.
When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel
Alright ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.